Hi kids! So in the video you're about to see, I had COVID when I filmed it, and I didn't know that at the time. Found out a few days later when I took a second test, so this is sort of a surprise COVID vlog. I was sick for about 10 days, and here's one of those days. Hello everybody! So I've been sick for a few days, well, almost a week now, as you can probably hear in my voice, but I'm actually feeling a lot better today. I think we're at the tail end of this. Yes. And I'm supposed to work tomorrow, so hopefully, hopefully it's almost gone. But I just want to do a sick day vlog today. I've been staying inside entirely, aside from taking out the trash, the last 5 days in my little studio apartment, my little mouse house. So yeah, I thought I would just bring you guys along for another day in the capsule with me. It's actually very cozy, and I'm quite happy to be here because it is currently 14 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and fortunately I've had to feel almost none of that. It's been around that temperature for the last few days, so I'll just share with you what I'm up to today. So I've noticed this insane amount of condensation on all of my windows, and this is the window with the AC unit, so it's just coming straight down. I'm sure you can see that, and soaking this windowsill, which I'm sure has happened in all the previous years, which is why this thing has 99 coats of paint on it. But as you can see, if I just touch it, the paint comes off my fingers. So I'm just gonna kind of leave this alone, but I noticed it's creeping up on my, these are electric battery powered candles. Just move them over here for now. The condensation build up just from how cold it is outside. And then now it's just soaking the wood. I'm kind of just leaving that alone, but my bathroom one is what I initially discovered because this window I open and close a lot more. And well, let's see if I can open it right now. So the past few times I've tried to open it, it's been like half frozen shut, and I'm keeping this rag here so that I can just wipe off the condensation a little bit. Partially frozen shut. Okay. All right, maybe fully frozen shut. This is my first time trying this morning, so. Okay. You know what, guys? I think that's frozen shut for now. We'll let it thaw out a bit. Until then, no fresh air for me. And if I was able to get this open, you'd see there's icicles on the screen, and you get a little view of the snow that's outside because it snowed about a week ago, and it's just been so cold that the snow has held on the ground. Okay, one more try. Yeah, nope. Yeah. You're on a vlog. What were you saying? Yeah. So here's our seasoned potatoes, breakfast potatoes. Normally I use my sister's recipe and I boil them for a little bit, and then I pop them in the oven for quite a bit. But I saw someone on YouTube do it with an air fryer in like 11 minutes, and it cooked the potatoes all the way. So this could be a massive fail. Haven't even looked up a recipe online, just purely going off of this vlog I saw. Let's see if it works. I've never air fried breakfast potatoes before. All right, I'm just gonna full send it. This could be one of those things where you look back and go, I should have done more research. Or it could work out perfectly. I am absolutely flabbergasted. Look at this. 20 minutes in the air fryer. They appear to be crispy on the outside. And when I push them, they're soft on the inside. They're cooked through. I'm amazed. We'll have to do a taste test. And if they're good, my life has changed forever. There we go, guys. Threw it all in a bowl together. Ketchup, sriracha, kaito on top. We'll see how it is. I sampled the potato and it was delightful, so definitely using that method going forward. I'm gonna throw on some YouTube and enjoy this now. Done with breakfast, and I also filmed a tour of my studio finally. So I'm gonna edit that now and put a new memory card in here so I can keep filming on here. Finished editing that video and I'm feeling really shitty right now. I'm trying to will myself to be done with being sick, because you know how it gets when you've been sick for a week. It's just, you're tired of it. But I have to acknowledge that my body is still achy and wanting to rest. But that's how I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling really achy. So I'm gonna run a bath and take a nice relaxing bath. Okay, so I finished my bath, and as you can see, I was able to get the window open. I don't know if you can see the cold air just pouring in, but I'm sure you can see the ice in the windowsill. And I've been hearing periodically like a cracking sound. And I was wondering, what the hell is that? And one time I even got up and looked all around my apartment, like, what fell? You know, something fell off a shelf. Like, what was that? I think I know what it was now. Ice. I'm just gonna gather some of this ice and throw it in my bathtub. Ooh, look at that cold air pouring in. 14 degrees, baby. So as fate would have it, not only am I sick today, but I also just started my period. So I just closed the blinds and I'm very much entering the cave. Very grateful to have today off, and I'm gonna put on a movie and just sink deep into the couch.
전화 시간 보내고 나갈 준비해. 여기는 누리시대로. 여기는 탐사대 통신담당 밑에서 들이다. 들이나. 귀신이 계속 목소리입니다.
Dude, I am down and out. Just feel so achy. I started this show called Goyue Bada. Goyue Bada. Silent Sea in English. It's a trending Korean outer space TV show. Kinda cheesy. I watched one episode, now I'm just taking a break to stare at the ceiling into the abyss. And my boss just texted me and asked if I could come in today. I said, no, I'm still sick. I might not be able to come in tomorrow. And she said somebody else got sick today. That's why. My mom texted earlier that my brother got sick today too. And She went to get him a COVID test, and now my boss is asking me to do a second COVID test, and it's just a season of colds and COVID, man. We're all dropping like flies out here. So I'm just gonna rest some more. Maybe watch some more Koiwe Pada. Koiwe Pada. Or not. Just relax. Check back in a bit. What's up, guys? You haven't missed much other than me watching YouTube all day for hours on end. And I was getting really, really tired of just sitting on the couch and being sick. So I jumped up and I had a little dance party with myself to kind of shake off the stagnation of the last 6 days. So felt good. You know, sometimes you just gotta move the energy around your body. Ooh, let's focus that again. That's my face. Yeah. So I got that energy moving. I took a nice hot shower. I changed fresh clothes. I feel better. Now to more YouTube. Yeah, I'm just gonna have some more tea, watch a little more YouTube. I am watching some educational YouTube, so I'm learning things as well as being entertained. And that's it for the night. Thanks for coming along with me for just a very, very chill, sick day. I will see you soon for another video. Bye.